Imagine waking up every morning, knowing that while you slept, your art was hard at work, generating a steady stream of income for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to turn that dream into a reality by harnessing the power of AI art. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting realm of generating free AI art and exploring its incredible potential for generating a daily income of $300 or more. Get ready to witness the power of AI picture generators, where a few simple phrases can unlock a world of stunning, free artwork. Gone are the days of painstakingly painting or drawing your own masterpieces or shelling out a small fortune to commission an artist. With the click of a button and a touch of creativity, you can now harness the immense potential of AI-generated art to make legitimate money online. If you're ready to learn more about this exciting opportunity, make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets behind making money with AI art. Allow me to introduce you to the game changer, DALL-E 2. Picture this: you provide DALL-E 2 with your desired creation instructions, specify the image style or artistic vibe you're aiming for, and watch in amazement as it generates not just one, but four mesmerizing photos for you to choose from. But that's just the beginning of the magic. Once you've selected your base image, you have the power to mold and shape it, creating multiple variations that reflect your unique vision. But wait, there's more. What if you want to take your AI artwork to new heights? Let's say you started with a captivating image of a Labrador face, but you suddenly realize you want to showcase more of the dog's majestic presence. Fear not, for DALL-E 2 has your back. By utilizing the Expander tool, you can enlarge and further develop your artwork, amplifying its impact and making it truly extraordinary. DALL-E empowers you to tap into a vast array of artistic avenues, allowing you to create stunning pieces of art that are uniquely yours. No longer do you need to rely on expensive artists to bring your vision to life. This potent tool puts the power of creation firmly in your hands, opening up a world of artistic freedom and financial opportunity. But there's a crucial question that arises: who truly owns the artwork created using DALL-E? Is it you, the user, or does DALL-E retain some claim to it? While DALL-E is an incredibly powerful tool, it respects the rights of the user who wields it. When you create art using DALL-E, you retain full ownership, including commercial rights. However, DALL-E reserves the right to utilize the artwork to maintain its services. It's a fair and reasonable arrangement that ensures you can profit from your creations while DALL-E continues to evolve and provide its remarkable capabilities. How much does it cost to use? Curious about the cost of this extraordinary tool? Well, here's some exciting news: it's absolutely free for you to use. When you sign up, you'll instantly receive 50 free picture searches, and that's just the beginning. Each month, you'll gain an additional 15 free picture searches, allowing you to explore the vast possibilities of AI-generated art without spending a dime. And what if that's not enough? You have the opportunity to create multiple free accounts, granting you the ability to unleash your creativity and tap into the immense potential of this tool. And here's the icing on the cake: you won't find any language in their terms of service that goes against this generosity. It's 100% free, legal, and highly effective. So, how do you make money? To answer this question, let's take a look at individuals who have successfully sold their AI-generated artwork on platforms like Etsy, reaping the rewards of their creativity. We're going to look at two methods that we can make money with the AI art. Method 1. Let's have a look at this store. The store provides digital versions of its artwork for sale. So when you buy one of these posters, you won't receive a physical copy. Instead, you'll receive an email containing an image file that you can print and use to create your own poster at home. These digital products are highly popular and widely purchased on platforms like Etsy. If we explore the store on Etsy using the research app Allure, we can find some interesting insights. According to Allure, the estimated earnings of the store amount to approximately 84,000 euros, which exceeds 87,000 US dollars. Since these are digital downloads rather than physical products, most of the revenue generated by a digital store becomes profit. Upon analyzing the top-selling products of this particular store, a noticeable pattern emerges. Many of the posters share a common theme: black and white photos of animals with a hand-drawn style, adorned with colorful accessories, against a white background. It's worth noting that this store is not the only one selling such designs. This particular image style is quite popular for posters on Etsy. Numerous stores offer variations of this style, as it resonates well with customers who enjoy printing and displaying them as nursery posters. Method 2. Let's delve into the second method of earning money with AI art from DALL-E, which involves creating digital images for physical products using the print-on-demand model to maximize your earnings. To illustrate the money-making potential of this method, let's examine a specific store and focus on a niche painting style known as Japanese-style ukiyo-e, originating and gaining popularity during the 17th and 19th centuries in Japan. This art style still holds significant value in today's market, despite its reduced prominence. One of the top-selling art pieces in the store is a frog painting created in the Japanese style, generating over €2,000 in sales in the past month, according to Allure's estimates. Another noteworthy example is the art piece Fuji from Targo Bay, which has earned the store over €500 from the sale of prints. These examples demonstrate how Etsy stores capitalize on selling paintings in this particular art style. However, the scarcity of new paintings in this genre poses a challenge. As it has fallen out of favor, finding contemporary artworks becomes increasingly difficult. Yet, this scarcity presents an opportunity for us. While hiring artists to create new pictures in this rare art genre would be expensive, utilizing DALL-E's services comes at no cost. DALL-E has been trained using the works of historical masters in this genre, enabling it to generate stunning images within seconds. This opens up numerous possibilities to explore unique niche markets. To bring your artwork to life on a physical product, simply register for a free print-on-demand app like Printify. Printify seamlessly integrates with major e-commerce platforms such as Etsy and Shopify. Browse through their catalog of blank items and select the ones you wish to sell, such as posters. Upload your daily generated artwork and list it for sale. When a customer makes a purchase, Printify handles the order, coordinates with their print shop to produce the artwork on the chosen product, packages it, and ships it to the customer. Meanwhile, you keep the profit margin between the production cost and the sale price. Limitations of DALL-E. Before you dive into using DALL-E Dash, it's important to be aware of one restriction regarding image resolution. When you generate and download an image through DALL-E, it tends to have a small size. However, this may not pose an issue for some of you watching. If you plan to sell your goods on small products like laptop stickers through Printify, you can upload a DALL-E created artwork piece and have it printed at a high resolution of 300 dpi. To overcome the resolution limitation, there is a website called AI Image Enlarger that utilizes AI technology to enhance both the resolution and size of an image while preserving image quality. To download a photo generated by DALL-E, simply create an account on the website and upload the image into the provided space. The free plan comes with a monthly image restriction but allows you to increase image sizes by up to 400%. Alternatively, the premium plan, priced at $9 per month, enables you to enlarge images by up to 800%. This way, you can optimize your DALL-E generated images for various print-on-demand products and ensure they meet the desired resolution requirements. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity, tap into the power of AI, and embark on a journey towards financial success? Share your thoughts and aspirations in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and valuable insights. See you in the next video.